Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today. We have got some things. We are diving into a full review of the Xiaomi very basic phone from Xiaomi with powerful octa-core processor, 6.71-inch display. Let's open this one. Now Xiaomi has been making waves in the smartphone market with their feature-packed devices at incredibly affordable prices. Like this one is like, I bought this one on deal price. I had to pay around 80 bucks. Inside the box we got only one SIM ejector pin and USB-C charging cable, and it's very unusual right nowadays, I will say, because a 3.5mm headphone is really cool to have with your smartphone, and the headphone also looks pretty decent. That's all. In this video, we'll exploring everything this budget-friendly phone has to offer, from its sleek design and build quality to its performance, battery life, camera capabilities. This one is actually released on this year, February. Weight is like dual SIM supported phone. And downside, we only have one USB-C port, and this one is microphone. And we got SIM tray this side. Let's open this one and see how is SIM tray. It's very good because we can use microSD card with two SIM parallelly. It's really cool because we can extend our storage without any hassle. And top side, we got one speaker and 3.5mm jack port, and the other side is power button and volume up and down. Let's turn this device on. And we'll see the camera is a round bump, and front camera we got only 5 megapixel. I'm just accepting very basic things because I don't want to connect everything now. I have to set a pin. Asking for fingerprint. Let's check. I need to do it because I also check how fast the fingerprint sensor is. This one is with MediaTeak Helio G36 chipset. This one is actually 12 nanometer chipset, and GPU is like we got only Power BI GE8320 chipset. At display we can see it's very large for this budget phone, 6.71 inch display, 82.9% screen to body ratio, and we got screen protection with Corning Gorilla Glass version 3. The glass back is, let's check the camera. You can see the camera features. I need to increase the brightness. This is the highest brightness. It's not so fast, but we can say the camera is decent. And we'll check the other features. Let's check the fingerprint sensor. How fast it is? It's really fast. You can see. You can see only one speaker in the top, though it's pretty loud. It's not the very best, but it's acceptable sound quality. And we got, and the display notch also very big, but it's for the price range and as a basic device, I will say it's one of the best one Xiaomi is offering right now in the market. And I will say that's all for today, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming tech reviews. All right, let's get into it. Bye.